Me and the boys doing the sticky waterfalls. Definitely didn't forget to film an intro. I'm filming it now, we're leaving. Obviously not. Just put this in reverse. Anyway, it was definitely worth the 2-hour drive. Ah, bro, it hurts your feet, man. Right then. The boys are at the sticky waterfall. Boys are at the sticky waterfalls. Got you on the chest mount today, so hopefully the footage will be better. Sandy crab. Hopefully the footage will be better today. I have got a car key though, which is kind of annoying, but never mind. Whew, it's a bit cold on you. Well, you're a bit taller than me, so you'll be alright. It's a bit cold on the bollock, mate. You've got to get up down there. No, it's sang though, it's like, oh boys, this bit's horrible, mate, all the leaves and that. It's in my tooth. Oh yeah, bro. In my mouth a minute. Oh, I hate this bit, man. Oh, bro. Oh, bro. Bro, horrible, isn't it? That bit is disgusting, man. That's it, that's the worst bit done. We're through.
Shortcut, mate.
Jack's on the shortcut. Oh. Do you two want to go first? Because then you'll be on the videos more.
Alright, mine, mate.
Memory stock. I've already done it, look, so.
Come on, bud. Oh, I don't fucking.
It's pretty simple, it's just one way, it's not one.
My light is fake because I've got my phone in his water. Your phone is waterproof?
Yeah.
Up to 30 metres.
How about car keys? Oh, he loves it. Only just bloody dried, man.
I've got to keep my light in my mouth the whole way around.
Bro, the car key's getting a bit wet, I can't lie.
I can't cut.
Fucking battered your feet in there.
Huh?
You've done your feet and everything, haven't you?
I'll take the fuck.
Are they scared?
I don't know.
Shark!
Yeah, shark! Oh, wait, man.
Right, I'm gonna have to put this in my mouth again, hold on. Whoa! It's all good round here, boys. It's all good round here.
I'm right out like a fool.
Doesn't it look really fake though?
Yeah.
Bro, it's weird, man. It doesn't feel and look real, but you knock it, it's solid.
I mean, it's good, but like...
It's overhyped.
Yeah, I'm glad I didn't pay for it.
Yeah, it's overhyped. Oh, just keep pushing through, boys.
Keep going, lads.
Everyone takes photos and like Instagram shit. Keep it moving, boys. Oh, they're going this way. I went the other way.
Oh, that's fucking slippy.
Bit slippery there.
Fucking hell.
Oh. Almost on the ass. Yeah. I see you stub your toe then, mate. The boys doing sticky waterfalls. Sadie crab.
It's like walking in a fish tank.
Oh, in it, bro. Do you know what I said the exactly same when I came here? I was like, it's like walking in a fish tank that ain't been cleaned. Nah, it's a no, do not climb. You got to go up to the right. Sad, innit?
Sticky enough on the right
Baby, ooh, ain't seen nothing. Yeah.
Yeah, I reckon the crocodiles I probably would have slipped.
Yeah. The traction on the crocodiles, mate. No chance. Plastic on slippery slime. Would have buckled over. Keep it moving, boys. Mate, you're on holiday, you can do what you want.
You're on holiday, mate.
If you want to go out there, go for it. Traffic.
I hate the...
Go for the undertake.
Yeah, I know. You're on holiday, mate.
You're on holiday, mate.
Got there now.
Leading now. Whoa. Whoa. If the traffic jam's too bad, I'll pause the video and then go to the next bit.
I thought it hurt my feet more though.
Weird, isn't it?
Yeah. It can't be natural. It's got to be man-made.
Mate, I said this. It's just weird. It's too smooth and too perfect.
Yeah.
To be rocks. But I know water would break it down over time. But would it break it down like it is?
I think it would make it smoother. Yeah.
I hope you boys hope it was worth 2 hours of driving.
Yes and no.
You got like one more waterfall, mine.
Is it?
I swear to God. I think we got like 1.5 waterfalls and we're there. Bro. Oh, the current today's a bit rough. Lean now. Yeah, I definitely got earache coming from yesterday, mate. My left ear is battered, mate. Ow. Me bloody toes are hurting me.
He's just sending it, mate.
He's going, mate. Taylor's having a race with
Everyone but.
yeah, everyone. Look at him go, man. Stomping along. Trooper. Whoa. Nearly. Oh.
Which way's harder, left?
I went left last time, so it looked a lot like it looked steeper. But you boys can pick.
Right, either or, mate. I'm not sending it left.
Go on then. Go on then.
You send it left, mate.
Ooh, ow. Ooh, can't tonight. This bit's a bit. Can't lie, this bit's a little bit slippery. Your toes, man. Hold on to me, mate. Don't step there. I'll take my chances. Oh, yeah, innit? Got this. Ooh! Oh, this is lovely. A lovely day out with the boys. I've got to put the key in my mouth. Dun 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 dun. Guys, can't lie, this key doesn't taste the best. Ah, you bastard. Can you cut your eye? Oh. Bum.
Give it a second, lad. I can feel our capture.
Peaceful. Peaceful. Yeah.
Peaceful.
This is the last one, boys.
Last one.
Seriously. Look. I know we've been filming 9 minutes.
9 minutes.
So we drove 2 hours for 10 minutes. Worth it.
I've done worse.
Yeah. Worth it.
I mean, people just keep moving though.
Yeah. I hope someone slips for content. Did she? Did someone fall?
Yeah, he did.
Bro, I didn't get it, I don't think. Well, I might. Did he chuck the girl out?
It's no weed. It's only you that no weed there. It's quite slick around here, right? Don't laugh out.
Pull it for the banter. Pull it for the banter.
No, I'm sending that. Yeah. Baby fell down? No, but the
Yeah, this bit's a bit slippery. Gone to slippery waterfall.
slide your way down.
Do it. Do it for the banter. Yeah, but yeah, that's it. There. Literally, this is the top.
It was alright.
What do you reckon then?
Maybe not worth the 2 hour drive, but
Not worth
glad
it.
it was free, innit? But
Yeah.
I'm glad I've done it.
You've done it. Everyone comes to Chiang Mai and do the sticky waterfall, so you've done it. There's a viewpoint there, but you don't see a lot.
I don't know.
Been there, done it, seen it.
Yeah, well, the quickest little video ever, innit?
Yeah. No editing in this one, mate. It's just 12 minutes.
12 minutes.
It's 12 minutes of pure footage. Oh well, there you go.
No one died, no one fell down.
No one died. It was more dangerous getting here.
Yeah. Alright, I'm getting
Right, see you lot in a bit.